Today, guys, I'm going to be going over some crypto trading strategies. There's a very good project I use to do this, and I'm going to get into it after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So let's get into the video. So guys, we're talking about Bybit today, all right? There's many ways on Bybit that you can actually start trading crypto, and I'm gonna talk to you. But first, what is Bybit? So let's talk a little bit about it, okay? Welcome aboard the crypto arc, they say. They're here to nurture your every step as you scale and grow your way towards financial freedom. The mission here is empowering crypto believers with next generation tools, support, and opportunities to unleash their full potential and level up with Web3. The values, they consistently listen, care, and improve to deliver a next level trading experience. The community is at the center of everything that they do with the advanced user-friendly platform and top-notch products. They provide reliable navigation toward financial freedom combined with a best-in-class infrastructure, moving you forward towards a better, brighter, decentralized future. Now, the three pillars they pride themselves on are next-level reliability, next-level products, and next-level opportunities. Now, they have an incredible history and an amazing reputation, right? You can download this on App Store, Android, or whatever it is you're using, okay? So let's dive into this a little bit more. So you can actually trade derivatives and spot trading in one product here, guys. If you've already heard enough, which I'm probably sure you have, hit that link down below and get involved right now with Bybit, okay? If you want to stay with the rest of this video, please do, because we've got a lot more for you. So spot trading, derivatives, right? Derivatives upgrading your trades, USDT, perpetual, inverse futures, and more. And spot is buying, selling popular cryptos on the spot with low fees. The NFT marketplace is fantastic, where you can explore, buy, and trade unique NFTs from creators worldwide. The Bybit Earn section, all right, get high yields with the diverse staking products like up to 18% APY, for example. Buying crypto, of course, you can purchase crypto with your credit and debit card with just a few clicks. We've got a lot of different options where you can diversify your trade in stable coins. They've got the Web3 gateway, very trusted worth, and the DEX scale derivative trades on a non-custodial multi-chain DEX. Guys, the simple step to get started is hitting that link down below, buying crypto in 1 minute, and starting to get involved with the different traders. And now let's have a look into the marketplace. Okay, so the marketplace looks like this, right? Really easy to get around. We've got the explore, grab, pick up the top, collections, obviously log in to see much more. You can gain early access to the metaverse by clicking explore here and having a look through. Okay, with the NFTs and the grab picks right now, you can see some of the really cool ones coming up, all right? Obviously, do your own research into every single project, but you can change all the filters up at the top. So guys, this marketplace is very easy to use. If you have a specific one that you want to search for, please just search it in the top market there. Now let's check out the Bybit Earn section, all right? This is where you can find out what staking options are available, what earning sections are available, all right? So it'll bring up the recommended for you. We've got ETH here, fixed term steady, 14 days, it's going to bring back 7%. Gives you the exact information you need. We've got a massive one coming down here from 102% all the way to 430%, all right, with the dual asset advanced. Loads of different things, guys, so get involved here. That's how you use the earn section. Okay, so buying crypto, super easy, guys. You come on here, choose what you want to buy, and choose your payment method, all right? I can't use it because I'm not logged in, but it's really easy to get involved with. It's user-friendly. It tells you exactly what to do as you're going across. Could not be easier. Same with selling, all right? Very easy. This is the best place to buy your coins, all right? If you have any questions, go to the FAQs at the bottom. But guys, that is a massive overview of Bybit and why it's so incredible. Guys, all you have to do to get involved in this right now is hit that link down below and get started. The easiest way to learn is do your own research by getting involved, all right, guys? Do a lot of research on this because I promise you, you'll fall in love with it like we have. And do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, hit that link down below, and I'll see you next time.